There's nothing better than these Buffalo Chicken King's Hawaiian rolls. My children love them. Trust me. Anyway, we're going to spray this down with just our regular butter. We sliced that King's Hawaiian roll right down the center. I used a homemade ranch. I put my buffalo chicken in, and on both sides of it because I'm extra and I have to have both. And I ended up putting in my provolone cheese on both sides here just so I can have it be extra cheesy. And I ended up baking it in there until I felt like I thought the cheese was melted. I coated it with a little bit of butter, and baby, oh my goodness, these are like so good. It just doesn't even make sense. We ended up painting on the butter, getting them all glossy from my girl right here, my daughter. She absolutely loves these, so she was first up to bat when it came to try them out. Anyway, you guys, get in the comments. Let me know if you've ever done this before. You guys have a good one. Did you know the King's Hawaiian rolls are actually supposed to be baked? I had to try them, so we cooked up these bacon chicken ranch sliders. Let's get into it. First, man, I'm cutting down my bacon, making sure everything is right, you feel me? We go straight into the tomatoes, make sure that tomato is chopped real nice and diced, if you know what I mean. Went into the chicken, had to use that famous Dave seasoning. That is my go-to. Dropped the butter in there, had to put it in the skillet. That rosemary and Pinot Grigio, I had it left over from my last video, so make sure you guys check that out. But I had to reuse that, man, and it just put an extra sparkle on this chicken. Got that chicken diced up real nice. Got my bacon cooked down. You know, I like mine crispy. King's Hawaiian, man, it was definitely the star of the show. Opened that thing up, laid down my ranch, put down my chicken, that tomato, that cheese really solidified everything. And yeah, man, I put it in the oven about 350 and we were in there. Cut up that lettuce for a good presentation, drop that butter. Hey, and dinner is served. Check it out. And if you like these recipes, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, man, y'all gotta check out this Italian sandwich. This is crazy. Man, we breaking down the lettuce. You already know what it is. The kids wanted the sandwich. We tried the viral TikTok thing. Put the pepperonis down. Follow up with the salami, a little bit of turkey meat, you know, dicing it all up. Put some cheese in there, we dicing it. I'm dicing the onions, I'm dicing the pepperoncinis. I'll use my tomato, a little bit of mayonnaise, and that Olive Garden sauce, bro. And that's really it. It's kind of messy. It looks crazy at first, but I promise it's a home run out the park. Kids loved it. It was great. All right, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Check me out. You're like me and you forgot it was St. Patrick's Day weekend. Don't worry about it. I got a meal that will get you taken care of in 40 seconds. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to start off with a little bit of Hawaiian bread. Then I'm going to drop in my Thousand Island, get that thing mixed in. Drop in the corned beef, follow up with my sauerkraut, then mix that in with a little bit of Kobe Jack cheese and a little bit more Thousand Island. And man, it's that simple. Put the bread over the top of it. I dropped melted butter right after it was done just to add those final touches. It only took a few minutes. I let my cheese melt. And look at that there. That's what I'm talking about. My kids love this meal. Hey, we don't do a lot of beer in our house for the St. Patrick thing, so we ended up doing a 90s night. The kids got to try some of the root beer. But yeah, get in the comments, man. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. All right, y'all. Did y'all know the Subway was selling their sauce in the store now? I mean, all the sauces. Yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm going to chop up this onion. I'm going to follow up with cutting up this bell pepper. Follow up with a little bit of olive oil on the inside. Dropping that chicken. I got famous Dave chicken rub, garlic onion with the McCormick. And I let that thing roast. Then I'm going to dice it up just like they would in the store. Follow up with that garlic aioli over the top of the bread. Roast it with the cheese like they do in the store. Drop the chicken. Now we got bell pepper, onions, olives, tomatoes. That sweet onion teriyaki is a knockout with the roasted aioli. You know the Hawaiian rolls had to be involved. We did the garlic with the cheese over the top and roasted in the oven because we're extra. And my baby girl loved it as always. Make sure you guys get in the comments. Let me know if you've tried this yet. This is the only way you should make a sandwich ever. Fresh meat made straight in the skillet. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to drop in my tri-tip. Yeah, my tri-tip. I got it marinated with the salad dressing overnight. I cooked that thing to my liking. Then I put in my salad mix with a little bit of olive oil, my pomegranate mixture, drop that straight in. The Skinny Girls, man, Skinny Girls gives you life. Put it in there. Anyway, 2 lemons, go straight in, mix it around. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese up in there, mixed it around. Sliced up that tri-tip as thin as I could. You know, I ended up slicing this up into just different little pieces. I put my more Parmesan over the top of that meat. Then I drop my salad mixture right over the top, right there. And then I put fresh onion in for the kill. This sandwich right here, filling, like I said, it's the only way you should in 2024 have a sandwich.